Alright guys, today we are going to adjust the chain on a homelite 3514C chainsaw. The customer brought it in. It was missing a bolt and it was loose. So we're going to clean and adjust this so that it's ready to go. Alright, so adjusting it's really simple. First, you want to make sure your teeth are facing forward on the top, in a forward direction. A lot of times people will put these on backwards. You're going to take 13 millimeter. They do have a tool that's 13 millimeter. It's the flat head and it has a spark plug socket all built into one. I don't have one myself, but I'll put it in the description for you. Everybody that has a chainsaw should have one, and it makes your life a lot easier. You can adjust your carburetor or adjust your chain, bar and chain easily. So first thing you do is loosen both these nuts so that it's nice and loose in there. Then you're going to take your flathead screwdriver and you're going to tighten it. You see it tightened the chain, and you want to get it to where when you lift this up, those teeth are just slightly inside that bar still. So a little more. More. Oh, just a smidge more. They're still just barely in that. Then you're going to lift up this end and tighten these at the same time. So do that. Lift up that end and then tighten these down. And it's good to make sure that it's completely clean in there. There's nothing really in there to worry about, but I'm going to take my air hose and my blow off tool. If you don't have that, you can use a can of carb cleaner. Here, let me get a can, actually do a can of carb cleaner with it, because you're probably not going to have a hose out there, but you get a can of carb cleaner. You just spray it down. Rinse everything right on out. Air works much better, but you see it's actually rinsing it down good. Rinsing it all down good. Just get all of it out of there. I'm going to actually use air. It's just way better. You can take it all apart. It's not completely necessary unless you've got a bunch of stuff tangled up in it. Let me pause this. There, way better. Nice and clean in there. This thing's leaking gas everywhere. I'm gonna have to do fuel lines on it. Yay! Alright guys, that's how you tighten the chain up on a homelite chainsaw. No big deal to it. Pretty simple, easy peasy. Alright guys, hope this helped you out. If it did, give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. I'll put a new bar and chain in the description. I'll put the tool in the description. Peace.